Hi guys, welcome back to 4D Dig. Have you ever encountered the system thread exception not handled error at boot time? This can be a common problem that prevents your system from booting properly. First of all, let's see why this error occurs. Usually, system thread exception not handled could be caused by driver conflicts, operating system file corruption, or hardware problems. When something abnormal happens to a system thread, the operating system will crash with this error message. 4D Dig Windows. Boot Genius is an amazing tool that is definitely the best choice for you if your computer boots into blue screen. Next, I will introduce how to use it to fix your computer in just 4 steps. Step 1. Create a bootable disk. Open 4D Dig Windows Boot Genius on a well-worked computer. Insert a USB flash drive and select it to make it bootable. Click Create Now. A few moments later, you will get the bootable disk. Step 2. Boot computer from the USB. Insert the boot disk you just created into the computer to be repaired. Reboot the computer. Press and hold F12 key until BIOS setup appear. Select the USB drive you inserted and boot from it. Step 3. Run automated repair. Then you will be led to 4D Dig Windows Boot Genius. Click on the Auto Repair button and select the computer's boot disk, usually the C drive. Step 4. Reboot. 4D Dig Windows Boot Genius will start repairing your computer automatically. Once done, click Restart, and your computer will run normally. Now, you've gotten the problem fixed. If you have similar blue screen or black screen issues, you can also fix it with 4D Dig Windows Boot Genius. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you.